Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you up to, eh?
I'm doing kapa haka, Kōkā. Is using the broom as his taiaha.
Very creative of you, eh? Do you know who the atua, gods of haka, are?
Is it tāne rore?
That's right, U. It's tāne rore.
Kōkā, who is the atua, god of the taiaha?
It's Tūmatauenga. He's the god of combat and of traditional weapons like taiaha and patu.
Wow! I want to know how to use a taiaha.
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Tākaro Tribe.
Wow, wow!
I hear you've been learning about Tūmatauenga. You should go see Pāpā Rākau. He'll know more about it.
Fantastic idea, Wao Arapū. Let's go.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
How can I help you today?
Do you know about using a taiaha, Pāpā Rākau?
Āna e, a taiaha is a weapon, a gift of Tūmatauenga. They're made from trees, just like me. It has an upoko, head, a double-sided arero, tongue. It has mata, eyes that see in every direction, and a long shaft.
I love the taiaha.
You should learn waiwai nuku foot movements first if you're going to do mau rākau.
Kia ora, Ma.
Tō waitia taku kupu Ngāti Tākaro, waiwai nuku.
Waiwai nuku.
Karawhiua.
Heights, heights, heights. Ha!
Great work, team. Let's take a look at our friends, the experts in waiwai nuku. Ka pai tamama. Koutou hoki, kōtiro mā. Ka mau ke te wehi.
And they have a strong stance. That's the goal.
If you work on it, you'll become an expert too.
Thank you, Pāpā Rākau.
Pāpā wants to take you to his wānanga. Semana.
Thank you, Moa.
It will be a great experience for you all.
Kia karaki a tātou. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Ka pai.
Kei te tino hi kakahau.
Reheko! We've made it to the wānanga.
Yay! Wow! So many of our friends are here. Oh, look at what they're doing. Oh!
They're really good at what they do, eh? One day, you'll all get to that level. Let's start. Grab your Rākau, then line up. Because you love this stuff, would you like a taiaha?
Oh, yes, please! I've been wanting to do taiaha for a long time.
Kia rite mai. Get ready, Tākaro Tribe. Wai nuku.
Wai nuku!
Karawhiua. Begin.
Heights! 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 Ha!
Oh, you're amazing, Tākaro Tribe.
You look so strong, eh? Oh, tēnā koutou, especially you, Moa. That was so much fun.
It was my pleasure.
Let's celebrate with a song.
Reheko!
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
A little birdie told me you learnt a new word.
Yes, Kōkā. We learnt some things about the taiaha.
Let's spell the word. Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Hello, Hello again, Tākaro Tribe. It looks like you got all the mahi done today.
Absolutely!
Let's celebrate. Let's take a look at what you did today. You learnt about the god Tūmatauenga and his teachings. And Moa taught you wai nuku. Moa took you to her mau Rākau wānanga. And E got to use a taiaha. You also learnt how to write the word of the day. T, A, I, A, H, A. Taiaha. What a super day.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Titiro, look. Here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora. My name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā! We're cleaning up the playground. It's all dirty after it being so windy. It's my job to pick up leaves. My job is to pick up the peka, branches, and rākau sticks. O and I are wiping the poles till they're clean.
You're doing an awesome job of looking after your playground, Tākaro Tribe.
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Ngāti Tākaro.
Wow, wow!
I have a pānui, an announcement. Pāpā Rākau has a present for you.
Ooh, a present. I hope it's a beautiful puti flower. Ugh, I hope it's kind for me and my puku belly.
No more time for guesses. Go find out from Pāpā Rākau.
You're right, Kōkā. Let's go see Pāpā Rākau.
tamariki mā noho mai ki aku kakiaka whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Perhaps Rongo Mātāne has sent you something.
Oh, that's so cool, Pāpā Rākau. What kind of present is it, Pāpā Rākau?
It's a gift that comes from Rongo Mātāne. Your job is to look after, support, and to help grow this gift.
Ooh, sounds exciting.
Here you go. It's a seed. Kākano.
Ooh, what kind of kākano seed is it, Pāpā Rākau?
You'll have to wait and see. Here are some tapu-tapu, tools to help you plant the kākano.
Thank you for these taonga gifts, Pāpā Rākau. But how do we plant the kākano seed?
Our friends at home will show us how. Let's follow the steps.
Ētahi. Firstly, dig small holes in the soil. Secondly, put the kākano seeds into the holes and cover them with the soil. Thirdly, water the soil.
Ah, yes, that's exactly how you whakatō. Plant kākano.
Leave the kākano so they can feel the sunshine of tamanui te rā. And they will grow into a tree. Yay!
Amazing stuff, Tākaro Tribe. Visit Kōkā now to ask her for some wai, water.
Good idea, Pāpā Rākau. Let's visit Kōkā.
Kia ora tamariki mā noho mai ki tōku taha noho mai ki tō Kōkā taha Hei Māori ora.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
You're having fun today.
We're planting our kākano seed by the Pāpā Tākaro playground.
How clever of Pāpā Rākau to give you a kauri seed.
Ooh.
You must water your kākano so it can grow into a rākau, a tree.
Ngā mihi, Kōkā. All right, time to start. Ētahi. Firstly, you dig a small hole into the soil. Look at my hands! They're all dirty! Tuarua, put the kākano seeds into the hole. Tuatoru, thirdly, water the soil. The last step is to leave the kākano, the seed, to enjoy tamanui te rā's sunshine. Whoa! What is that, Tipu? Plant. It's a kauri tree, just like Pāpā Rākau. Oh, we love Pāpā Rākau, and now we're growing a Pepe Rākau. Yay! Pepe Rākau! Ooh, our ringa hands are dirty. Let's wash them.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Did you see our kākano, seed Kōkā? It's a kauri seed, and it'll grow into a tree just like Pāpā Rākau.
You did some fantastic work today, Tākaro Tribe.
Thank you, Kōkā.
Let's spell the new kupu word you learned today. How clever of Pāpā Rākau to give you a kauri seed. You must water your kākano so it can grow into a rākau. Oh, Pāpā Rākau was calling you.
E noho rā, Kōkā.
Kia ora anō Ngāti Tākaro. Te āhua nei I tutuki I a koutou ngā mahi o te rā.
Ai! When the kākano seed starts growing into a tree, we'll call it Pepe Rākau.
That's an excellent name for your tree, Tākaro Tribe. Let's celebrate with a waiata. Let's take a look at what you did today. This morning, you were cleaning the playground. Then you came to get the gift of a kākano, seed. You followed the steps. First, you dug a hole. Then you put in the kākano, seed. Then you watered it. You also learned to spell the word kākano. Ka-ka-no. Kākano. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Pō Māori e.
tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe po mari e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Titiro, look, here comes the manui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you all doing today?
O and I are looking at these beautiful puti flowers.
Tell me, what colours do you see?
There's kōwhai, yellow, and white poroporo, purple. There's kākāriki, green too. Here, all. Here's a whiro, red flower.
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Ngāti Tākaro.
Wow, wow!
I have big news. It's Pāpā Rākau's birthday today. Soon, all the kararehe, animals of the forest, will meet to celebrate his big day. Pāpā Rākau will be very surprised. Everyone has already decided on a gift.
Pāpā Rākau deserves to be celebrated. He loves ornaments to decorate his branches.
A whakakai ornament.
Aye, made from things in the taiao, nature.
Maybe we could use these beautiful puti flowers.
Great idea, all. A puti flower to represent each and every one of you.
There's no blue flower.
There has to be a blue puti flower somewhere. Maybe you could ask Pāpā Rākau.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Do you know where we could find a blue puti flower? We all have our puti flowers except E.
Blue puti flowers are the most beautiful, but you only ever find blue puti flowers up in the Maunga mountains.
Don't worry, E. You'll have your puti flowers in no time. But how will we get to the Paemaunga mountains?
Pooh will take you.
Oh!
Watch out! Out of the way!
Whoa!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard Tākaro Tribe.
Karakia first, Pooh. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Haere rā, Ngāti Tākaro.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
What a wonderful day today.
Oh, ai, Pooh. It's Pāpā Rākau's hurito. Birthday today.
Oh no, no one told me. I don't have a present for him.
It's okay, Pooh. We can dot your name on our present.
Whee! You are all very thoughtful.
Pooh, I see the Paemaunga mountains up ahead.
Hold on, Tākaro Tribe. We've arrived.
Keep your eyes peeled. Have you found any blue puti-puti flowers? Carl, not yet, I found them. The blue puti-puti flowers are over here.
Brilliant job, Tākaro Tribe. Now we can make a wreath from the flowers. You did it! What a beautiful ornament.
Yay!
Time's running out. We better hurry back to Pāpā Rākau.
Hari Hurito! Happy birthday, Pāpā Rākau!
Thank you, Tākaro Tribe.
Kōkā told us that you like whakakai, ornaments, so we made you one. A puti-puti flower to represent each one of us Patupaiarehe.
Oh, this is beautiful. Ah, that's why you asked for the puti-puti kahurangi. Blue flowers.
We didn't want to spoil the surprise.
Thank you very much, Tākaro Tribe.
Let's celebrate with a song.
Kia ora tamariki mā, matika mai. Kia kori tātou, me kori tonu, kia pau tō hau.
Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Karu, tāringa waha me teihu. Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai.
Mātenga, mātenga, mātenga. Whakakia ki te mātauranga. Pakihiwi, pakihiwi, pakihiwi. Umaki waho, kia ki te ato ihi.
Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Karu, tāringa waha me teihu. Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai.
Whatia, whatia, whatia. Ringa, ringa pākia. Tūri whatia. Mati wai, mati wai, mati wai. Kia ri te maira, kia tere te whai.
Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Mātenga pakihiwi turi māti wai. Karu, tāringa waha me teihu.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
That was such a magnificent day. You did such great work today.
Thank you, Kōkā. You were right in saying to do something for Pāpā Rākau.
Of course. And you made him a whakakai, ornament. Let's spell the word of the day. Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Thank you so much for all your hard work today, Tākaro Tribe.
E pai ana, Pāpā Rākau.
I think this is my best huritau birthday ever.
Yay!
Let's hit it with one more waiata. Dance away, ah! Let's take a look at your adventures on my birthday. You wanted to make a whakakai, ornament for me, out of colourful flowers that represents each Patupaiarehe in Tākaro Tribe. But there were no blue flowers. You went up into the mountains and found some there. You then made a rainbow-coloured wreath out of flowers and gave it to me for my best birthday ever. You also learned to spell whakakai. Wha-ka-kai. Whakakai. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e. E kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro. E pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Titiro, look. Here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora. My name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you all doing today?
We're sunbathing, thanks to Tamanui te rā. Look, Kōkā, I found some himu seaweed, and now I use it for shade like this.
Impressive, eh?
I love summer days like this.
Be careful not to sunbathe too much, in case you get sunburnt. Are you wearing sunblock?
Ai, Kōkā!
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Ngāti Tākaro.
Waia, wow!
I have a message. The springs in the maunga mountains have dried up and your friends there are thirsty and need water. The springs will fill again tomorrow when the ua rain comes. But they need water today. Will you take them way? Water, Tākaro Tribe?
Of course. Kāore he raruraru. No problem. But how will we take white water all the way up into the mountains?
That's a good question, eh? Maybe Pāpā Rākau has the answer.
Let's go to Pāpā Rākau.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
What are you all up to today, Tākaro Tribe?
Our friends in the Paemaunga mountains need water. All their punawai water springs have dried up.
That's terrible. We have to be quick to get water to them.
We thought that too. But how will we take water up to the Paemaunga mountains?
Hey, what's that in your hands?
This thing, it's Rimu seaweed. I found it in the sand at the beach. It's to shade me from the sun.
That's not just any rimu. That's rimurapa.
What's a rimurapa, Pāpā Rākau?
Let's have a look. It's a plant from the moana. See, in the old days, our tūpuna used it to make poha, bags. They were used as bags for food and water.
Fill the poha with fresh water. Quality! We have poha, but how will we get them up to the Maunga mountain?
Pooh will take you.
Yay!
Whoa!
Watch out! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Karakia first, Pooh. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mākuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao marama. Haumi e hui e taiki e.
Haere rā, Ngāti Tākaro.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
Not long and we'll be at the Paemaunga, the mountain ranges.
Look at all the hua, produce of the land. Wow! We're close to the Paemaunga mountains.
Hold Tākaro Tribe. We've arrived at the pai maunga.
Where is the poha? Here! I have it! Ira, look! There are our friends!
Kia ora Ngāti Tākaro. Kia ora e pū.
Hi, my friends! We heard your punawai. Water springs have dried up.
It's so hot. We have no way. What's it to drink?
Oh, don't worry. We brought poha kelp bags full of fresh water. Please, come and get a drink of my Māori.
We really needed water to drink, and we have it thanks to you, Tākaro Tribe.
E mihi ana Tākaro Tribe.
Hira, look, there's a kapua, cloud. Tamanui te rā isn't beaming down on us. Oh, hooray! Let's relax. First, let's hit it with a waiata song.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
Whoa, isn't it just the hottest day, Tākaro Tribe?
The hottest, Kōkā. I'm sweating. Ugh, lucky we had poha filled with fresh water.
Good work, Tākaro Tribe. Let's spell the word of the day. Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Kia ora no Tākaro Tribe. Have you had a good day today?
Aye.
Let's celebrate with a waiata song. Let's take a look at what you did today. While Wao told you the springs in the mountains had dried up, and your friends there needed water. You filled the poha with fresh water and took it to the paimaunga for them to drink. You also learned to spell the word po-ha, poha. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Po Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What are you all doing today?
We're singing. Here's my note.
It's stunning, Who could that be?
Waia, wow, wow, wow! Tēnā koutou Ngāti Tākaro.
Wow, wow!
I have a panga, a riddle for you.
Ooh, he pala!
I'm a taonga puoro, an instrument. My sound comes from nature, not people. You can't see or hear me inside the whare. I'm hanging outside and heard outside. Here is my sound. Who am I?
I don't have a clue. I don't either. Do you have any idea, Kōkā?
No, I don't, but I'm sure Pāpā Rākau can help.
Let's go see Pāpā Rākau.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
What's the problem, Tākaro Tribe?
Wao gave us a panga, riddle. Will you help us solve the riddle?
Ooh, let's all give it a go.
I'm a taonga pūoro, an instrument. My sound comes from the taiao, nature, not people. You can't see or hear me inside the whare. I'm hanging outside and heard outside. Here is my sound. Who am I?
Ooh, I have only one guess. It sounds like this.
Yeah, that's it. What is that kind of taonga pūoro instrument, Pāpā Rākau?
It's a hautangi, wind chimes.
A hautangi? Wind chimes? I want a hautangi.
This instrument hangs outside the house. The winds of Tāwhiri Mātea bring its chimes to life. The wind doesn't have to be strong to hear the beautiful music these taonga make. Let's take a look at our friend's hautangi.
I'd really like a set of hautangi, wind chimes.
Don't be sad. Tāwhiri Mātea will lead you to the hautangi, wind chimes. If you listen carefully, you can hear their sound. That's how you find them.
Thank you so much, Pāpā Rākau.
Have a safe trip.
Let us karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e hui e tai ki e.
Haere rā, Ngāti Tākaro.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau. Hey, I can hear the sound of hautangi, wind chimes. We're close to Mama Moa's whare. Kia ora, Mama Moa.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. What are you doing on this side of the ngahere, the forest?
Wao gave us a panga, riddle today, but Pāpā Rākau helped us to solve it. It was a hautangi, wind chimes. We followed the sounds of the hautangi, wind chimes.
You came at just the right time. I need help. One of my chimes fell, so maybe one of you can hang it up again. Thank you so much, Tākaro Tribe. Because of all your help, please have this hautangi, this wind chime.
It has all of our fun, colours. Thank you, Mama Moa.
Thanks, Tākaro Tribe.
Let's celebrate with a song. Piki, piki.
ora anō, all you beautiful singers of the ngahere.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Did you see our hautangi?
It's stunning, Oo. Looks like you had a great day.
Ai, marika.
Good work, Tākaro Tribe. Let's spell the word of the day. Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Kia ora anō, Tākaro Tribe. Have you had a good day today?
Oh, ai, Pāpā Rākau.
Ka mau ke te wihi. Let's celebrate with a song. Let's take a look at what you did today. Wao had a riddle for you to solve. You all worked together to decide it was a hautangi, wind chime. You followed the sounds of the chimes, which led you to Mama Moa. You all helped her with her problem, and in return she gave you your own chimes. You also learned how to spell the word of the day. Hau, tā, ngi, hautangi. Magnificent job, Tākaro Tribe.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say good night. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
O roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto